In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a refund on Uber Eats. The first thing that we want to do is just load up the Uber Eats app. And here we will click on account, which can be found in the bottom right corner. Once we have clicked on account, we will scroll down a little bit until we see the option for help. So just click on help. And here you can either select help with an order and find the order here, or if you don't see it, we'll go back and then we'll click on account and payments. Here we want to select I need to contact support. Now we will need to input the name on our Uber Eats account here in the first field, our phone number, and for the type of issue that we're experiencing, we will select other. Now share details about the issue, we'll type I would like to request a refund for order number, and you can find your order number in the order screen. So for example here, this is going to be just a sample order number, and then after we have done this, we will click on submit, and that's how you refund an order on Uber Eats. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.